All right, so I'm gonna show first the project as is, what it worked on my lab, and that's my lab 3 intents lab, which has a loader activity and a explicit activity. Uh, let's see the to-dos in this. So these are the to-dos. That's loader activity, which are essentially I think the same. Um, and to-dos in the external activity. All right. So that's the intents lab. How it looks is you know how it looks. Then I will kind of show the my browser. Uh, my browser here. To-dos were in the manifest class. This is here. So that's my filters set for it. View is important because it's gonna view it. Got to have default. You got to have browsable, primarily because if you choose, if you tap on the link, say google.com, and you choose the native browser, and on the native browser, if you tap a link again, then you want to give a choice to give again, your browser or the Internet Explorer. If you take it out, you will not get that choice. All right. So I'm going to start the my browser class first. This is API 21, but I tested on API 18 and that works as well. So let us see. Start compiling. Run it. There you go. No data provided. Perfect. So now I'm going to choose intents lab. That's the intents lab. Pick it up. Off you go. Run it. All right. So that's the intents lab. Explicit and implicit. So explicit would be, that's the activity here. All right, I'll just type QWERTY RTY, enter. Okay, so that part is easy. Now I'm gonna go to implicit activation, and implicit activation should pick up the requested URL. And for me, it only worked if I did google.com, not www.google.com. And if I did www.google.com, just didn't work for me. But anyway, I'll show with this first. So that's the implicit activation. You see, that's my browser class, and that's the native browser. So it will load this with. So I'm gonna click the native browser. Okay, there you go, and it's trying to load native browser www something here, which is terms of service, whatever the old one was. Again, you see, it's asking me if I should choose a different tab. It's my browser just once. I'll just keep this browser just once. All right, so you're still in the browser. Let's say I'll click on images. There you go. It's giving me a choice to use a different tab. So if I choose the browser, you will see. Sorry, I didn't click it properly. Okay, there you go. I go to, yeah, there you go. So go to my browser. You get the whole URL here, but here you see that I get www.google.com, so it's catching that up. I got to kind of see that. So that's how the application is, and I've kept the links to both of them on the Dropbox. All right. Now let's walk through what you sent me. And since I'm on Android, what I did is I took your project, I imported it, and copied the functions that had I think that had to-dos or that were changed or something like that. I think, yeah, I copied all the functions exactly same as yours, except that I changed it to google.com. All right, and I changed, look at the strings, I changed the app name AT, just put different initial in there. So I run the app. All right, come on, compile. Yes, compiling. There you go. So that's it. Hello world. Yeah, that's your project, and I think I copied your activity.main. sorry, your designs, your layouts. These are all your layouts. So I copy, say first explicit activation, enter text here, QWERTY works great. Okay, enter. Yeah, well, yeah, I think you didn't change the text here. I didn't check for that. Maybe I just missed something. Now implicit activation. There you go. So that's my browser. That's a browser. Again, I pick up this browser and just once this, sign in. Then I'll pick up sign in. Okay. Okay, there you go. Okay, what the heck? I'm just trying to log into my Google. Anyway, I go to click hack, go back to my browser, and come and do it. This, there you go. So you go back to the browser and you see that thing again. All right, so this is how it looks like. I'm gonna put the code links and links to this video and hope it helps you.